The brand new budget phone from Samsung. It currently sells for right around 160 bucks brand new. So that makes it very affordable for most people. Anyways, let's get into it. All right, so here we go, taking a look at the Galaxy A11. Now, if you guys want to check out the latest prices for this phone, I'll throw a link in the description and comments. But like I said, it's a $160 phone. I do like the box design on this one. It looks pretty slick, I gotta say. But, let's get it out. Let's take a look at it and, grab this pamphlet here. All right, so here we go. All right, so this phone's got a 6.4-inch LCD display, making it pretty big. So, I mean, it's going to be good for, playing games, watching videos. I'm not really going to mess around with that manual. Going to just toss it to the side here for a second. All right, so anyways, let's take it out of here. So it's got like the blue kind of like chromish look to the back of it. Looks beautiful, though. Definitely looks a lot better than I thought it would. So, comes with, charger, whatever basic stuff here. Gonna kind of just push it to the side though, because, we got to get the plastic off this phone so we can take a closer look at it. So I think I'm probably going to have to maybe just kind of like rip this thing. Yep, yeah, let's just rip this off. All right, ripping it off here. Just getting it ripped. Oh man, this phone feels nice though. I mean, super fresh looking phone. Oh yeah, it feels really good. So the back of this phone's actually like a hard plastic PC material, but the front's going to be glass, but the back actually feels like glass, just kind of like touching it. Anyways, let's turn it on here so we can get it to whatever the home screen wallpaper is on here, because I'm curious to kind of see what that looks like. So we'll give it a second to load up. Now, Samsung's released a lot of good budget phones, I'd say like over the last 6 months to a year. I'm always picking them up. I've got like the Galaxy A51, the A80 series. I mean, these A series phones are very affordable for most people, which is cool. And, they're not going to be like super high-end flagship, built-in features inside them, but they're still really good phones. So we're just waiting for this thing to load up here. Looks like we're stuck in Spanish for some reason, so I'm going to have to change this to English. So let me see where this option is. I'm sure it's in here somewhere. Must have missed it. It must be at the top. I'm gonna have to scroll back. All right, where is it at here? We got English, a couple different English options. All right, cool. I think we got the right one there. Okay, cool. So now we switched it to English. We're gonna kind of skip through the setup here because I want to take a look at how this phone looks, like I said, on the home screen wallpaper. Always like checking that out on a new phone, so not going to mess around here with like the Wi-Fi settings or anything like that. We're just going to kind of brush through this. All right, so we're almost there. I can feel it. Couple more things here. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that wallpaper looks slick. All right, so I'm glad I could get it to the home screen for you guys. Took a little bit there. All right, let's see whatever other stock wallpapers they got on here, but this one looks really nice. I got to tell you though, like my first impressions just taking this phone out of the box, this is a really nice looking phone. It feels really like quality too when you're holding it. For like $160 phone. So, I wasn't expecting it to be this nice, but it definitely is. It's a nice phone. All right, so let's switch up the wallpaper for just a second here. All right, so I'm gonna throw that on the home screen, lock screen. Okay, anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. I just think this is a really slick phone for the price point, just on like my first impressions of it. So we're going to be doing more videos with it. I'll have links in the description and comments if you guys want to check out the latest pricing plus our full review.